O Vice President Kari, Uben Kaya M. Naidu hakasnginan kong ulawan banbu monorim na kamta gajimpan kre ya kasurok silong dauki. Ya ketika surok bahan ribuar kilometer labai tingka daga JICA haka jinglut kebakot syakakan rius pa kelur tingka. Habakran haka nekasngi, U Vice President ulaban jur halor ka jingnan kam ban penstet iki projek kampenroy haka nekatany kamtam haka bayde bat kilinti kisengkin. Hak nika program bu monorim ladan langru nadu menteri rang ba kajela ke chief secretary kajela nalor kihe sarkar bat kiwe.
We must all work as a team India, then only the progress will be accelerated. I suggest for the proper development of the northeastern states, you need peace. Peace is the prerequisite for progress. I am happy that the insurgency is coming to an end. There is every need to put down the insurgency, to have a dialogue with these groups and see to it that they give up arms, join the peace process. Because what is required is the peace, which is the prerequisite for progress of the people. Progress of the people, all-round development of the people, education, health, employment opportunities, connectivity. These are all very vital to the people of Northeast because of the fear of the gun, because of insurgency, because of blockades, because so many things were obstructed. Now, it is time that we must utilize this peaceful atmosphere and create a proper ecosystem for the development of the state in a fast-track manner. Transparency, accountability, transparency, everything should be transparent. People should know what is happening. This road, how many kilometers, what are the material used? People should have the information. Second, accountability. People who are in charge of these programs, they should be held accountable. The engineers, the administrators, the contractors, the people who are the executive agency, everybody should be made accountable. They have to account for the amount that has been given and the work they are doing. And also zero tolerance to corruption. Corruption is the enemy of development. There should be zero tolerance towards corruption. And also, now we have the advantage of digital technology. Everything has to be made online so that there is no need for a line. Going and standing in a line, waiting for your turn, standing in line, greeting people, meeting people, shaking hands, and doing something in between hand should be totally avoided, totally avoided. Benefit should reach the people directly. Pension should reach the people directly. Compensation should reach the people directly. PDS, public distribution system, it should also reach the people directly. Whatever benefits the central government is giving, whatever benefits the state government is giving, it should go directly to the people's pocket. This should be the motto of the government. I am sure the state government, and here I am there in Meghalaya, you have a young and dynamic chief minister, that the progress will be accelerated and the development reaches the people. My dear friends, the Northeast has got a natural beauty and a rich cultural diversity. If beauty is combined with duty, then you can become mighty. This has to be understood by one and all. Meghalaya has always played a key role in our national development. My warm greetings to the people of the state on this occasion. This project is not only prestigious, as it was explained, it's very, very useful. The other projects which have been mentioned, they should also be accelerated. In order to enhance the connectivity in Northeast states, the government have been implementing several programs. I don't want to enunciate all of them now and take your time. But my stress is expedite, execute, perform better, improve the living conditions of the people, because the connectivity is a catalyst for development of economic growth of the people. A good road network is crucial to enhance the commerce and trade, ease the transportation of goods and services, and promote interstate connectivity. Roads are thus the lifeline of any modern economy. One of the persistent issues with the roads in this topography is their continued maintenance. This should be given due priority by governments and local authorities along with the road extension and widening. One of the persistent issues with the roads in this topography is their continued maintenance. This should be given due priority by governments and local authorities along with the road extension and widening. The terrain of the region too limits the scope of availability of land for construction and widening of roads and highways. The rainy months in states like Meghalaya often hinder road construction activities and completion of projects. All these issues call for innovation in the design and construction of roads in a hilly topography. Technical institutions around the country must take this as an opportunity and challenge and bring out better road designs while cutting down on the implementation period. Given the complexities of road connectivity in the region, the connectivity is certain and important aspect of connecting Northeast in this regard. I am happy to note that there has been a marked improvement in connecting Shillong to other cities through direct flights under the regional connectivity scheme. I wish to see more direct flights from and to the Northeast. Once this COVID situation is improved, the air connectivity also will resume fully, and then you will have connectivity with the rest of the country. My dear sisters, and brothers, one of the biggest positive outcomes of better infrastructure and connectivity is that of increased tourism. There is a huge tourist potential. The lake, which I saw while coming here, beautiful, wonderful. And people, whoever comes, they will definitely fall in love with that nature's beauty. And they prefer to stay and see more places. There are many more places like that in the Northeast, particularly in Meghalaya. Before I conclude, I would like to take a moment to congratulate Mrs. Rebecca Vanessa Suchiong here for becoming the first indigenous woman Chief Secretary of Meghalaya. It's really a great achievement. Indigenous woman Chief Secretary of Meghalaya. That shows there is so much potential. You have to give, you have to recognize, and you have to encourage. And in our society, we have 50% of the population as women. Women should be given their due, they should be given weightage in education, they should be given weightage in employment, they should be given weightage in forces, they should be given weightage everywhere. They will prove that they are better to do any of the jobs. Her achievement will inspire many more young boys and girls of Meghalaya to take up government service as a career in the coming days. I once again congratulate the ministry. I am happy to be here to lay the foundation stone for upgradation of NH40 between Shillong to Dawaki. I congratulate the ministry, central government as well as state government. I wish all success for this landmark project and hope that it will be completed within the planned time frame. My best wishes to the people of Meghalaya. Khuble Mithela. Jai Hind.